Breaking news! Breaking news! No, seriously, there's never a dull moment in crypto or in the stock market. Today we had Bitcoin crashing down to $18,600 this morning. Everyone thought it was over. The bears were rejoicing. And then we boom all the way back up to 19,200 again. And the stock market, look at that candle on the stock market. That's not Dogecoin. That's not some tiny little shitcoin. That is the stock market. So why? Why did markets just go like this? Well, we just had a leak. The Fed might be pivoting. We might have sniffed a Fed pivot. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that and when the Fed is going to pivot and what just leaked in the next 3 minutes. Before that happens, I need you to do one little thing for me. While we look at Jerome Powell printing money. While we watch him, because as inspiration, what I need you to do on this video, the video that you're actually watching right now, is for the love of God, smash the like button. I mean, this video got 45,000 likes. I know Jerome Powell's face is cute, but can we get 1,000 likes on this video for the love of God, please? And if you could, would you share this with someone? Share this with someone who needs this. Also, obviously my entire computer is in Spanish, as you can see from compartir. Here, I make these videos in Espanol every single day, todos los días. So if you speak Spanish, go watch on the Spanish channel. It is linked below. I also have a TikTok. I have Twitter. Make sure you follow me. All right, let's go. So what happened this morning, and why do we have this Chad-ass candle on the stock market? Oh, well, maybe because I can smell the bread baking in the oven. It's almost like Kale has been right this entire time. The Fed is going to pivot. So this is what happened. Nick Timiraos is the mouthpiece for Jerome Powell, the reporter who knows what Jerome Powell is thinking, or at least that is Nick Timiraos' reputation on Wall Street and in Washington. This guy right here is the mouthpiece for Jerome Powell. So how it works is Jerome Powell wants to release something to the media, and he whispers in this guy's ear and he says, "Hey, buddy, write an article." And this guy does it. It's very, very simple. I've known this for a long time. You probably didn't know that. If you just learned something, smash the like button. Anyway, this guy just tweeted on Twitter, and he said, hey, the Fed is barreling toward a 75 BPS rate hike in November. Okay, we already knew that. The market had already priced that in, so no big deal. The market had priced in a 97% chance of a 75 BPS hike already. So no one cares. That's already priced in. What wasn't priced in, I wish I would have had this open this morning. Look at this. Look at this. In December 14th, the next one, before this morning, this was like a 75% chance as well, an 85% chance as well. They were going to do 75 BPS 2 meetings in a row. But no, I can smell a pivot. I can smell a pivot. Some officials are more eager to calibrate their rate setting to reduce the risk of over-tightening. But they don't want to dramatically loosen financial conditions if and when they hike by 50 BPS instead of 75. This meeting could allow officials to get aligned on the next steps. So basically he's saying that they are going to only hike by 50 BPS in December and still keep things restrictive. So the markets love that. The markets love that. They love it. And the crazy thing about, the world that we live in right now is this, okay? This article came out at 8:52 a.m., okay? So if you go look at the chart and why this biggest chattest candle in the history of the stock market, what time did this happen? I mean, I don't know. It looks like it happened around 8:52 a.m. 8:52 a.m. So the only thing that affects the markets these days and can send $20 trillion worth of assets up like this is one reporter who listens to Jerome Powell and who is close to the money printer Go Burr. I've been telling you guys on this channel, and please smash the like button if you know this is true. For literally a year now, I've been making videos, slaving away here, making videos. And I've been saying, hey, the money printer is all that matters. And so you have a guy who literally just listens and is like, hey, the money printer is going to be a little more aggressive now. And the whole market just goes insane. Okay, so it's just a ridiculous clown world that we live in. The only thing that matters is the money printer. And this is why I've been laughing at bears for so long on this channel, because the markets are pricing in ridiculous scenarios that will never ever happen. So like for my best example is December 13, 2023. Okay, we're looking out a year from now. The market thinks the highest probability chance is that we have a 5%. I can't even take this seriously. We have a 5% Fed funds rate in December 2023. If you don't know what that means, basically that would mean that mortgages in the United States are like 10 to 13% in December 2023. Okay, we just had the Fed pivot basically this morning. We basically learned about the Fed pivot this morning. The Fed leaked this before market open because they were getting concerned about the moves in bond yields, rightfully so. The bond market forced their hand. The bond market, I've been saying this for so long, guys. And the leak was intended to calm things down. Can't prove it, but that's my interpretation as it came at a key moment. Look at this. Bond yields, like right when this was released, let's go look at the bonds. I mean, this is all so manipulated. Look at the US 10-year. Oh, I wonder when the data was released. Oh, the bond market was getting out of control. Make sure you release that article right there. Oh, the bond market was getting out of control. Make sure you release that article right there. I mean, this is effing stupid. It's a literal made-up clown show. Our entire market is a clown show based on this stupid money printer. And so what happened today is what I've been telling you is going to happen this whole fucking time, which is that they have to print this money. They have no choice. If they don't print the money, the bond market explodes, okay? And as you saw on this chart here, when bond yields get to this certain height, it breaks everything. It breaks the entire world economy. The entire world economy. I've been saying this. Go watch my other videos. I'm not going to explain myself every single day about the most basic concept in history. The bond market is bigger than the stock market. The stock market, the bond market is more important than the stock market. The Fed is not going to let the bond market crash. They are not. This is not like, well, they might let the bond market crash. They will not. It will be the end of the world, okay? And so when the market is pricing in a ridiculous scenario here that is an end of, the market is literally pricing in. I just want to reiterate this for you, okay? 5% rates next December means that next year would be end of the world type shit. End of the world. So the market is pricing in. Just think about this. Just have a brain for 10 seconds before you don't buy any Bitcoin today, okay? And your family cries at Thanksgiving and Christmas because you're an idiot, okay? The markets are pricing in the end of the world, okay? They're pricing in the end of the world. So maybe the end of the world will happen. Cool. It's just the end of the world. I mean, it doesn't matter anyway, does it? Like, it doesn't matter anyway. They're pricing that in. So anything less than the end of the world is going to be bullish for Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin's going to go back to $30,000. I've never seen a better risk-reward trade in my life than buying Bitcoin at this level. It's going to go back to $30,000 at some point in the next few months. It's going to go to $100,000 and $1 million in the next 6 months to 5 years. It's the best single risk-reward trade I've ever seen, and I keep saying it on this channel, and I get like 3 likes. Can you smash the like button and share this with someone? Good Lord. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm right. I'm right about this. Good Lord. All right, love you. Bye.